Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Shuggy Lovecraft, and today I'm going to show you how to do a knockout text in Inkscape. So this is what I'm going to create. I just want to leave it on the screen till I show it to you. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first go ahead and grab my text, and I'm going to type the word mother, actually. And then I'm gonna click on it and hold the shift key and just drag it to as big as I want it to be. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get it to a bold font. All right, now I know it looked like there's a lot of spacing in between. I'm gonna show you how to get that together afterwards. Then I'm gonna go ahead and type my second word. And for the second word, I'm gonna use the I Love Glitter font, which is typically what a lot of people use. And I'm going to go ahead and get the, my little swoosh on there. And I'm going to select it and make it a little bit bigger by holding down the shift key again. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure the word love is in a different color so you could see the difference. All right, so now both words are in text. I need to go ahead and change them from text. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to select mother. And I'm going to go up here to object and do object to path. Then what I'm going to do now, remember I told you if you wanted to, take care of the spacing in between each letters, you're going to select the word and then you're going to go to object and ungroup. Now each individual letter, you're able to move them. So I'm going to go ahead and select the O, move it a little bit closer. I'm going to do that for everything, just to close up the space a little bit. All right, now that I have it to where I want it, I'm just going to go ahead and select them back again, and then I'm going to go to Path Union. Now, if I wanted to do the same thing to the love, I'll go ahead and do it, but all I need to do right now is go to love and do Path Union. Now, while this is selected, I'm going to go ahead and create my shadow for the word love to create my knockout. So with the word selected, I'm going to go ahead and go up to path and go to link offset. Now you can see the diamond here. What it did was it did a duplicate of the word love. I'm going to go down here and change it to blue. And then I'm going to click on the little diamond and hold down the shift button to create my shadow. Okay, do it as big as you want to. Just going to leave it there. And then I'm going to go up to my select bar and select it and separate. And I'm going to put this love right here. Then I'm going to drag my shadow to mom to where I need it to knock out. You could go ahead and highlight both words and go ahead and align. You could either select the line from the taskbar, or you could go object, align, and distribute. All right, so with that selected, I'm going to go ahead and center it. Okay, you can move it up or down wherever you want to, but this is where I want it to be, right down here. Then I'm going to select both words again, and then I'm going to go to path difference. And that's if you notice that the knockout is created. Then I'm going to go ahead and move the word love in here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go to object and group it together. Now I am ready to save it and bring it over to Design Space. All right. Now, thank you for watching the channel. This is Miss Sugi Love Craft. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.